Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Ultrahuman ring data. Okay, so what you need to do basically is head over here to the profile. At the bottom right corner you see this in this pop-up menu profile. Click on it, and now here at the top right corner you will see gear icon. So click on this. So these are settings, just like that, and now we will just scroll down where you see export your data, and now what you need to do is just press on export your data, and that's pretty much it. So you will be notified when you get your data available. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next